Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. SRUSHTI's channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So, welcome to the kitchen again.
Today me and Mayuri, we are making
Today me and Mayuri, we are making chicken Parmesan inspired by Courtney Cox. She posted a reel on her Instagram and she shared that recipe and we were like, it's Courtney Cox, we should do it. And we're doing it.
Some Indian version.
Yeah, we are adding a little more spices to it because we like things spicy.
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Okay, let's go. So we've already made the egg mixture and now we're going to marinate our chicken breasts into it. And Mayuri is preparing for the sauce. Now we have kept our chicken for marination. Now we'll keep it aside for 20 to 25 minutes. Until then, we'll prepare our sauce for it.
So in her video, she has used some ready-made sauces, but we don't have any sauce, so we will be making one. Let's go.
Now we are chopping the tomatoes. She's doing the garlic and we've already chopped the onion for the sauce. Let's do it. Now I'm going to put the tomatoes into a mixie jar and grind them to a fine paste.
So now I will be crushing this garlic. I won't be making a fine paste of them because crushed garlic adds more flavor and taste to the sauce. So guys, I'll be crushing the garlic now. So guys, we are done crushing the garlic. As you can see, this much is enough. If you want a very fine paste, you can grind it as well, but this adds more flavor.
Now I've added 2 tablespoons of butter into the pan.
I'll be adding some chili flakes into it
And
mix
herbs.
herbs. This much should be enough because we have already added some of them in the marination as well.
Now we'll be adding the garlic. Now we'll add the onions. Now I'll be adding the onions. Mix it. Now into the pan I've added 2 tablespoons of butter, mixed herbs and chili flakes.
Later on, we have added some garlic and onion, and we
now
are waiting. We are waiting for what?
Now we're waiting for it to be a little golden brown, which is it now. Now we'll be adding the tomato puree.
We can smell it, Italian. While SRUSHTI was preparing the sauce, I have prepared some breadcrumbs and we will coat our chicken with this.
Our sauce is almost ready. Now we'll start coating our chicken with the breadcrumbs.
Okay. Chicken looks marinated very well. So guys, chicken looks well marinated. We will coat them in breadcrumbs and we will place 4 chicken breasts over here.
tablespoons of oil in it, and I'm going to shallow fry the chicken, and then we're going to microwave it and bake it. So let's do that. Chicken is almost done, so I'm going to preheat our oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 Fahrenheit. Now we place the chicken into a pan, and the pan is a little bit big, but we don't have a smaller size. And now we're going to add our sauce and cheese to it. I'm using mozzarella and cheddar cheese blend by Amul. This is diced cheese.
So we will be putting sauce on our chicken.
Now to our favorite part, the cheese.
We will top it off with some coriander leaves. As you can see, we have topped it up with some coriander leaves. This is optional, and now this will go to oven. So Srushti, how much time we'll be baking it?
We will be baking it for 10 minutes, but we have a convection oven. So if you don't have a convection oven, you have to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep checking the chicken so that it doesn't get burned. So let's go. Quite yummy. I like it.
Guys, this is so delicious and so yummy. You should definitely try this at your home and subscribe to her channel.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.